We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
In this video, we will discuss about Move and Copy tool in SketchUp. Move tool is a modified tool in SketchUp. Using Move tool, you can perform both move and copy functions. You can access Move tool under Edit toolbar. If Edit toolbar is not showing in your window, please turn on this option in Toolbar menu under View tab. Select the item you want to move or copy. Click on Move tool or type Command M to activate this tool. Pick base point on an object. Show the direction you want to move and enter the moving distance. Next, we will learn how to make a copy of an object using Move tool. To activate copy mode, press Ctrl key before moving the object. Select the object. Activate Move tool and pick base point and press Ctrl key and move the cursor. Now you can see the copy of an object is created. Thanks for watching this video.